In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the recovery email address of your Gmail account step by step. This is really useful if your old recovery email is no longer active, if you want to keep your account more secure, or if you simply need to update your recovery information so you can get back into your Google account easier in the future. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account settings. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account, especially if you have more than one account connected to your browser. If needed, double check the profile icon in the top right corner so you don't make changes to the wrong account. Now on the left-hand menu, click Security. This is where Google keeps all the important sign-in and account protection settings. On the security page, look for the section called How You Sign In to Google. In that section, you should see an option for recovery email. This is the setting that controls the email address Google can use to contact you if you ever need to recover your account. Go ahead and click Recovery Email. Google may ask you to verify your identity before allowing any changes, so if prompted, enter your Gmail password. In some cases, you may also be asked to complete an extra verification step depending on your device or security settings. This is normal and it helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. After verification, you'll be able to edit the recovery email. Click the edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil, then type in the new recovery email address you want to use. Make sure you enter it carefully and double check for spelling mistakes, because even one wrong letter can stop the verification from working properly. Once you've entered the new email address, click Save. At this point, Google will usually send a verification email to the new inbox. Now open the new email account that you just added as the recovery address. Look for the verification message from Google. If you see it, open the email and complete the verification process if Google asks you to confirm the change. This final step is important because it tells Google that you really have access to that new recovery email address. Once verification is complete, your Gmail recovery email has been successfully updated. That means if you ever forget your password or need to recover your account, Google will use the new email address you selected. I always recommend checking your recovery information anytime you change email addresses, lose access to an old inbox, or want to make sure your account recovery options are up to date. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the recovery email address of your Gmail account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.